amounting also to 10,000 pesos, given to returning OFWs who were displaced from their jobs due to wars, political conflicts in their host countries, or were maltreated or victimized by human trafficking. These are proofs that we are incessantly taking every step necessary to ensure that the best interest and welfare of our women OFWs are served. Moreover, one concrete initiative, as we have mentioned, is our continued engagement with private companies like Coca-Cola through the Assist Well program. On a final note, I would like to thank the Coca-Cola Far Limited for this unique opportunity to work on a grand project that will enable the North to reach more women OFWs so they will have a chance to a better future, something which they may not have achieved outside the country because of circumstances that were beyond their control. With this joint program, I am very much excited. Our coming together here today for another fruitful partnership will surely help our migrant women come nearer to the realization of their dreams. Thank you, and once again, good morning. God bless us all.